Today, you're going to learn how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Liability accounts are essential for tracking money your business owes, whether it's tax obligations, payroll liabilities, short-term debts, or long-term loans. Setting these accounts up correctly ensures your financial statements remain accurate and gives you a clear picture of what your business is responsible for paying in the future. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once your dashboard loads, go to the top right corner and select the Settings icon. From the menu that appears, click on Chart of Accounts under the Your Company section. This is where all of your financial accounts are organized, including assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. To add a new liability account, select the New Account button. A form will appear where you'll begin setting up the account. In the Account Type drop-down, choose Liabilities. If you want to be more specific, you can choose between current liabilities or long-term liabilities. Current liabilities are obligations due within the next 12 months, while long-term liabilities represent debts that extend beyond a year. Choosing the correct category helps QuickBooks organize your accounts properly on your balance sheet. Next, select the detail type that best matches the purpose of the account. You might choose something like VAT control, payroll liabilities, or a loan payable, depending on what the account will be used for. Enter an account name that clearly describes the liability, such as bank loan or VAT payable. You can also add a description if you want to provide extra context, though this is optional. If you're setting up the account for an existing liability, enter the opening balance along with the as of date. This ensures your books begin with an accurate starting point. Once all of the information is filled out, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close to finalize the new account. That's it. You've now created a liability account in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.